Jain class 7th students. How are you students? Hope you everyone fine. Students, during this pandemic condition, those teaching you got from your home, it's a very fantastic because without reaching the school, you get all the information related to your topics from home. So, I think our fourth chapter is clear. Okay. On there, some activities work are given. Okay. On there, some activities work are given. So, firstly, 30% of syllabus is leave out from this session because there is a 9 chapters in your book, so it means two chapters are eliminated. Okay, 2 chapters are eliminated in this session. That one chapters I deliver in the next class, which chapter are neglected. Okay. So, now today's we talk on the topic my activities session. Okay, on which my activities. My activities, that portion is done by 2, but I am give some help for completing that project. First, A. Okay, this one my activity work is on page number 56. On page number 56, and on 8. Study the HTML code given below carefully and answer the following question. Okay, now listen carefully. The HTML code is HTML head, title about ABC International School, title close, head close, body. Heading first start ABC International School, heading first close, bullet bold, nurturing leaders, okay, nurturing leaders, bold close, and the sum statement is given here, and again the H2 heading facilities at the campus include horizontal line, and there are some italic words, and after that close it. So question is first. Question first. Where should the phrase ABC International School appear? In the title, in the web page title, in the web page title, the about ABC International School appears. What effect will the H1 tag have on the phrase ABC International School? Question 2. The text ABC International School view in large heading. View in large heading style. Okay. Now, the third, what text if any will appear in body type? What text, if any, will appear in body type? So, question 3. What text, if any, will appear in body type? So, there are bold, italic, okay, text appear in O4. The question is this, what text appear will in bold type? The text in darkened mood. The text in darkened mood. Okay, the text in darkened mood. Darkened mood. Now question 4. Question 4 says, what text, if any, will be italic? Say, slanting, the text slanting, the text in slanting mode. The text in slanting mode. Now, the question 5th. The question 5th is says, what are the two sections of an HTML document? So, the two sections is head and body. Okay, head and body. There are two sections, head and body section in HTML document. I think everyone understand what is the correct answer. So I am helping only A section. You complete the B. You complete the B because B only asks write the output of the code snippet given. It means HR size height width color 200 yellow. It means a line is visible in the style. Okay, and the color is yellow. HR, the first. And the second of B, head style type text of CSS, body background color orange head. So it means the page color in orange. Okay. Now find the error, the following estimate of program and rewrite the corrected program. So everyone, you have to complete A and B in my activity. Now let us come on the hearts. Okay, hearts, the page number 57, and when you jump on the page number 57, there are given hearts, and on there you must find what is the incorrect text are given on the HTML code, and you have to find it and write. So hearts, arrow view in hearts. Okay, in hearts what happened? Find the error in the following HTML program and rewrite the corrected programs. Now A, HTML head title and HTML program title close. There is a mistake. In the A section, head is open but head is not closed. So one mistake is here, head is not closed. Then body is open, S2 italic close. There is second mistake is H2 is start but H2 is not closed. So there is slash is not given. Now third mistake is this, HTML is start but there is no HTML closed. So in the first there are three mistakes. Okay, first mistake is this: body is not closed. Second mistake is this: slash is not given in H2 tag. And third mistake is HTML is not closed in the A, hot question. Now in the B the question B says HTML head, title and HTML program head closed. There is the first mistake is this: title is open but title is not closed. But title is not closed. Now head close font tag, close font. Oh, there is a mistake. The font closed, but before the font closed, the second mistake is this: in the font, no use of angle, close angle, no use of close angle. Okay. Now H4 is start, so there is third mistake. Third mistake is this: H4 is start, but there is no anyone close the H4 heading style. So it's the third mistake. And body is closed, HTML is closed. So it's a good. So two answers I resolved. Now only the last one. There is the mistake: style text type text oblique CSS is not given in the body, and when the right is body, so it is close the body tag, so it is a mistake. So now you just resolve it. The third C is totally wrong. Okay, because slash type is no need to close. Is that clear, everyone? Hope you like the video. Press the thumb icon